This Coldwell Banker Lake Oconee Realty / Lake Country property video is presented by JLinney. Come see these beautiful views and sunsets from this serene cove on Lake Oconee. Max Brock Dock, new seawall and lush landscaping already installed. Lot has been cleared and easy to walk. Golf membership available. One of the last remaining waterfront lots in Great Waters. Come live in this beautiful community and play all the great Reynolds golf courses, including the completely renovated Nicholas-designed Great Waters Gym. You won't be disappointed. For more information, review the details below.